when you're trying to assemble your pattern and you peek over and your budgie's eating our pattern. What are you doing, Angel? Just starting to cut out. I've just done the front bodice, so these are the top bits. I think I've done them correctly. Yeah, I've done them. I think that's right. I don't know. That's what I've got so far. And yeah, I'm in the kitchen. There's the washing up. There's the dirty washing. There's the stove. My husband's actually pulled this whole part of the kitchen out recently. Last week I didn't even have a sink. But that's just, yeah, what I've got. And then I've got a whole bunch of stuff here. That's my husband's doing the kitchen, and my very messy, completely full up. This is the kitchen table. And as you can see, I don't really have much space. This is kind of my layout of the fabric. But on the plan, I think. But yeah, that's my plan for today. Just chaos sewing, I think. I'm now working on the front side skirt. So this is the side piece. So I've got this piece of fabric that I got for free from somewhere, which is a nice weight. I was going to use something else, but it turned out to be a completely different weight to this and see-through. And I was like, nah, I don't want to use it. So I was going through my cupboard and I found, seriously, this old curtain. I mean, it's still got the metal doodads on it. But it's a nice, I'm thinking I could do this on the other side, because I've had this for ages. And it's got the oranges, and that's in the front panel, and it needs to be used. So this is going to be my side piece. Curtain. Now on to the tea towel skirt. So I'm guessing this is the actual tea towel, but I have a problem. So if I line this up to the top, I need to cut this bit off. I go all the way down. It's shorter than the piece. So do I put it up here and put a bit on the top, or down here and put a bit on the bottom? I don't know. Maybe I could top and tail it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about this bit. I'm probably going to learn the importance of pressing at the end of this piece, but I've just been enjoying patchworking fabric together, and I've been overlocking them together because I have a 4-thread overlocker, and I was thinking, well, what's the purpose of having a 4-thread overlock if I can actually skip a sewing step? But I guess we'll find out later if it holds up. But this is the, what is it? This is the back bodice, which I had pieced together. I've tried to incorporate bits from the front to the back. And also some more scraps. This scraps here is stuff that was free fabric. This was free fabric. I've had this for a bazillion years. This was free fabric. So I'm kind of going with the whole upcycle free thing. I didn't quite cut it wide enough, so I had to add a little bit to both sides, but I decided to add them in the same colour. I really like this fabric, but it's really thin, so I'm thinking maybe it would be best there. Yeah, so anyway, that will probably come out in the seam, but it's looking good so far. Spent all day sewing in my kitchen. So this is the kitchen bench, with the dirty dishes. This is my iron and the kettle and the kids' school lunch boxes. This is a pile of scraps on an old juicer, pile of fabric, sewing machine, overlocker, and because it's winter, a heater. And normally I have a dog supervisor there, but I think she's run away because it's getting a bit cold. It's getting a bit late in the day. So I have done the back, and now I'm at the point where I am attaching the tea towel the actual tea towel of the tea towel dress to the side pieces. So then it's all going to be almost a tube, and then I just got to add the bodice onto that. And then I tried it on kind of for size, and it's really, really short on me. So I might have to add like a ruffle, a patchwork ruffle, I think. But yeah, I'm just at the point of the cute the dog, and I'm going to be attaching it to the side seam. Before I show you how much I've done on my dress, I want to show you something that I noticed last night. Hang on a second. Check out how tall my snake plant has gotten. And it's seriously, oh, this one here, it's like, what? Oh my gosh, I didn't notice. I mean, this is a new one. This is just like a normal size snake plant, and probably this leaf here is the normal size of a snake plant, but I can't even get in there to measure it, but I'm guessing it's over 1 meter, because seriously. Anyway, that's where some of my plants, and I did that tapestry many years ago, but yeah, I was just noticed that last night. Whew. Anyway, to the dress. So last night I did some sewing after I cooked dinner. This is what I've got so far, and the budgie's helping me in the background because the budgie likes laundry. What do you reckon? Anyway, this is what I have so far. My kids absolutely love it. My husband probably not so much, but I'm kind of excited about this. I need to do the sleeves. It's the length of a long tunic, so I might finish it off to the length that it is, and then see if I wear it. If I don't wear it, it's probably because it's too short, and then later on I can add like a ruffle to it to make it more wearable. So I want to see if I'm going to wear it at the length that it is. So what I'm going to do is the sleeves and hem the bottom according to the pattern, and then I'm done. But then I will wait like a month or so to see if I wear it. When it's actually winter, I'm not going to wear a dress, but I might wear it over leggings, right? And then if I'm not wearing it, I'll then go and add the ruffle. But off to the sleeves, and then it's done. Woo! Look, I finished it. Let me show you. There she is. Let me say though, I put the sleeves in, and guess what? These were the easiest sleeves I have ever put into a garment in all my years of sewing, and I've sewn lots and lots and lots. It shows you how good the pattern was drafted for them just to slide in like a dream. Incredible. If you want to learn how to do sleeves, you need this pattern, because this shows you how it should be done, because that was so easy, unbelievably easy. And I am absolutely in awe of this. Let me turn it around for you. And here's the back. Now let me tell you, 90% of these fabrics are secondhand, recycled, repurposed, whatever. The only new fabric is, is this piece here and this piece here, and maybe that piece, but I can't remember where I got these ones, to be honest, but I know I bought this because it was adorable. But this fabric, so this is 90% recycled, repurposed fabrics. But I have a problem. Let me go try it on and we'll talk it through. Now, the problem is, well, it's not really a problem. It's my self-esteem, I guess. I absolutely love this dress. I love it. It's got pockets. I love it. My kids love it. I think it's the best thing ever. But my husband, when I showed him last night, he laughed at me. And he has done everything but say he doesn't like it. He's changed the subject, he's laughed, so here's the thing. So when you really love something and someone basically doesn't love it, your self-esteem sort of goes down. And I want to wear this out. I love it. So please tell me. I'm not asking if you love it. I'm asking if I should. Does it look good on me? Should I wear it? You don't have to like it. You have to understand that I love it. And, would you want to walk down the street with me if I was wearing this? Would you want to go to the shops with me if I was wearing this? if I'm happy with something, would you be happy for me? Or would you be... So tell me, should I wear this in public? I love it. How could he just laugh at me? I don't know. I said to him, you know, I realised I didn't make this for you. And he's like, well, I'm glad. But yeah, like... So tell me, please, I need to know, should I be wearing this or should I just like put it in the cupboard and never wear it? Anyway, I love the fact that I did repurpose some curtains. And this was fabric I got recently. I actually put the clip up where I got all this fabric from. And just, yeah, and a lot of patchwork on the back. Anyway, you've got to get this pattern even if you just want to learn how to do the easiest sleeves on earth. Ah.